Hello and welcome back to Car and a Question. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Car and a Question. I am Jason Adams.
And I am Dustin Keller. And this is the one and only John Bucci.
And today's question that we have for you guys, I know this is going to sound crazy, but how do I know if my headlights aren't working?
Oh my gosh, I was just getting my hair done yesterday and the barber asked me the same question. She said, for some reason, when I'm driving down the road, my brights are not as bright as my regular headlights. Crazy. And I said, well, there's your sign. What do you think, John?
Well, I too was there getting my hair done. And and my barber asked me the same question. There's a couple of things you can do with headlights. Sometimes headlights have adjustments. Bring it in, you have to take a look. Are they level? Are they level? Are they level? Is it level?
That's a darn good question.
Level. Are they level? Some can be adjusted. Over time, they're electronic. Bulbs go out. You should have them replaced. Is it important to replace one or two at the same time? Depends on how they look. Sometimes the lenses, they get that film on them and it gives that yellow tint.
Another good point.
There's nothing you can really do with that. There's nothing that's really made to take that off permanently. I'd recommend, if it comes to that, replacing the headlight assembly along with the bulbs.
That all makes sense.
That's wonderful advice.
Question.
Yeah.
What did the barber say he was going to do about your hair?
I was there actually. I had to chaperone.
Oh, that makes
But while I was there, I just got an edge on.
Okay, that makes sense.
Thanks, gentlemen. Thanks for joining us here at Car and a Question.